All right, we're going to look at S18, equations of horizontal and vertical lines. And the thing that you would need to remember on this is that the x equals line always runs vertically. And the y equals line always runs horizontally. So vertically, horizontally. And I know sometimes this gets confusing because we're talking about the equation of the line versus slope and rise over run and y, and you just told me the range was this and you told me the domain was this. So just kind of hang in there with me. It'll come clear. So when we talk about the equation of the line versus horizontal and vertical lines, you have to remember the numbers that you're reading. So if I'm reading the numbers on the x-axis, I'm reading the numbers from left to right. So x is equal to -10. X is equal to -8 because it's crossing the x-axis at that number. X is equal to -6. X is equal to -4. X is equal to -2, and so forth and so on. So the equation of this line, it's going vertically, so I know it's an x is equal to 9. So on this one, be really careful because you do have to put the x and the y is equal to. If you just put 9, that's not the equation of line. That's just a number. So we're going to do x is equal to 9. Now, is the graph of the equation a horizontal or vertical line? Now, if you look here, we already know that if it's an x equals, it's a vertical line, meaning it goes up and down. Like you stand up vertically, that's what we're talking about there. Is the graph of the equation a horizontal or vertical line? Now, y goes horizontally because it's going across the y axis, so this would be a horizontal line. Look at the graph. Write the equation of the line. Well, first off, it's going across the y-axis at 4. So we would say y is equal to -4. I think I said 4 just a minute ago. I should have said -4. And then look at this graph. It's again going across the y-axis. So we would say y is equal to 10. Is this graph of the equation a horizontal or a vertical line? Here we have x. We see that x goes across the x-axis at -10, so we're going to say that's a vertical line. So, as you can see, S18 is pretty easy. Go ahead, go forth, and do math.